Hi, my name is Amanda Woods. I am a 17-year elementary educator and am seeking my master's degree in library science. As I share with others my dream of being a librarian, people tend to question if libraries are still relevant. Libraries today are still on the cutting edge of the best in education. My desire is to create a library space that encourages student curiosity, innovation, and problem solving. A librarian collaborates with teachers, administrators, and parents to teach academic standards and integrate technology skills. The physical and digital spaces of a library connect readers and learners to peers, others in the school and community, and even globally. Research shows the significant difference well-resourced libraries can make to student learning outcomes. One of my favorite children's authors, Joy Cowley, writes, "A sanctuary, a mine of treasure, a house of maps to secret lives in secret worlds. The library became my home. I look forward to creating a library home for learners."